So this is me testing out Hermes, and I've installed Hermes, and once I installed it, I thought to myself, huh, what if I fully natively run everything through Obsidian? So I installed Hermes inside of my Obsidian, and then I also installed a open plugin that has a full terminal that gives you full root access to your computer through Obsidian as well. So I don't have to leave Obsidian ever. So I got my terminal in there. I got Hermes in there. I got OpenCode in there as well, which is fire. And I got a plugin that allows me to fully code like VS Code type of style plugin inside there. So I don't have to leave my Obsidian ever. Like I get to do my notes in Obsidian. I get to talk to all of my LLMs through Hermes. And oh boy, does this feel different. It feels way better than Claude. I just feel that Claude gets very bloated over time. So the more information that you give it, it just feels way less concise. And Hermes feels so light, it's not dropping things out, and it has zero memory leakage. That's very important, for all the technical people out there under the hood. The main issue with a lot of agents like OpenClaw is they handle context, but they tend to just, appending everything into the prompt. So it sounds fine to begin with, but over time the context just gets saturated, man, and you have like a lot of problems, especially if you have a Claude also running through. Because I have Claude on this computer, but I got it connected through my API, and then it just like token limits hit faster, and then the older and important info gets like completely thrashed and forgotten, and the reasoning quality just drops because of the signal to noise ratio. And I don't feel that with Hermes. So there's no memory leakage, and the main thing is just smarter, and it's way easier for me to actually operate with Hermes and OpenCode. And the way I have set up my OpenCode is I've actually coded my own little memory folder, and I've communicated with OpenCode to memorize everything that we're doing and store it in like a text file. So all the crucial informations and things that I have done are there in the same root folder with Hermes that is inside of Obsidian. It's just genius. So my LLMs that are intertwined with Hermes are just seamlessly working together, and this is crazy because I've been building a lot of things here, and I've built a lot of things, and it's just interesting to see. Like, here's my terminal. I'm running my terminal fully, and I got my Hermes here. So I got Hermes running full force, and I'm basically working also with building a couple of tools. And I just love the way I have it set up. So when I do a lot of researches, and right now I'm working on some polymarket strategies here, and it just literally creates a folder and separates everything for me in different folders for references, strategies, tools, and then it creates me a table. So I have like a home table which gives me a folder structure, and within the folder structure I can just go through it, and I see my strategies with my win rate and my risk and my capital, and also with my notes. So, whatever strategy I just want to click here, I got it. From arbitrage to market making to underdog hunting, let it be. But yeah, it's fire. Absolutely fire. I'm stoked. I can't believe people are not aware of Hermes, and I can't believe that this is like such a good thing. And honestly, I don't think anyone should be using OpenClaw at all with Hermes. It's just like, I don't know, man. It's like running my iPhone 3GS, which I love a lot, next to the new Pro Max. That's how I feel running Claude code next to Hermes, man.